Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best fish cooking basket on the market, the Fish Grilling Basket by Penobon. If you love grilling fish, shrimp, or even vegetables, this product is designed to make your barbecue experience easier, cleaner, and more enjoyable. Right off the bat, what sets this grilling basket apart is its construction. Made from durable, rust-resistant 430 food-grade stainless steel, it's built to last through many grilling sessions. The stainless steel material is not only strong but also ensures it's safe for cooking food without worrying about rust or corrosion. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means cleanup is hassle-free after you're done grilling. The basket offers a generous cooking surface, measuring nearly 13 by 9 inches, which is perfect for cooking meals for 2 to 3 people. This size gives you enough room to cook a variety of foods, from whole fish and shrimp to vegetables like corn, bell peppers, or even steak. The rectangular shape is thoughtfully designed to accommodate fish fillets and other foods comfortably without crowding. One of the highlights is the lockable design of the basket. This feature securely holds your food in place, making it easy to flip everything at once without worrying about anything falling through the grill grates. The grid gaps in the basket are perfectly sized to allow even heat distribution while preventing smaller pieces from slipping through, which can be a common problem with traditional grilling racks. Another great feature is the removable handle, which makes it safe and convenient to handle the basket over hot grills. When you're done, the handle detaches for easy storage, and the basket itself folds down flat. It even comes with a storage bag, making it portable and ideal for weekend camping trips or backyard BBQs with friends and family. To add even more convenience, the package includes a basting brush that matches the stainless steel design. This allows you to baste your fish or vegetables right on the grill for extra flavor and moisture without the need to reach for additional tools. Size-wise, the basket's dimensions are perfect for most grills, measuring just under 20 inches long and about 12.6 inches wide, and less than an inch tall, so it fits nicely on your grill without taking up too much space. From an ease-of-use perspective, the folding mechanism and the lockable clasp make cooking straightforward, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned griller. The design promotes uniform grilling and makes flipping delicate fish fillets or shrimp much easier compared to using traditional tongs or forks. In summary, the Penobon Fish Grilling Basket stands out as a practical, well-designed grilling accessory. Its durable stainless steel build, ample cooking surface, lockable and foldable features, plus the included basting brush and storage bag, make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their grilling game. Whether you're cooking at home or on the go, this basket will simplify your cooking process and help deliver delicious, perfectly grilled meals every time. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest product insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy grilling!